Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can get the best resolution on Capcut. So editing everything inside of Capcut, then increase the sharpness of your entire clip by 30, select adjust, select sharpen, 30, change mark, and then change your output resolution to 1080 and your frames per second is 30, and yeah, just like that you have a perfectly optimized video. Just save the video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.